my name is Riya.
And I am Shruti Upadhyay. And we are Team Sugyan. So we are representing Smart Agri for SIH Hackathon, which is a smart idea based on the helping of farmers. So imagine a farmer in Odisha. He works day and night, depending on the rains, trusting the soil, and investing in fertilizers and seeds. But when the wrong fertilizers is used or the pest attacks, all his hard work is ruined. And even though in this digital area, farmers still lacks timely, personalized, and accurate agriculture support. So here comes our vision. Why we built Smart Agri? We could have built hundreds of features in our application, but this is not our aim. Farmers don't need hundreds of buttons to press or complicated graphs to analyze. They need clarity, not clutter.
We realized something powerful. Our main problem was not the bugs in our code. Our main problem was the bugs in the farm. The pests that harm crops and destroy a farmer's hard work. That's where our machine learning comes.
So here comes our solution. So first one is AI crop detection technique. Just one click. The farmer takes a picture of his crops and in Flash, our AI identifies the issues and prescribes the best solution. No wasting, no guesswork, instant help.
Second solution is soil-based fertilizer advisory. Another big problem is soil degradation. Crop after crop, even when farmers use fertilizers, their soil becomes weaker because they often use the wrong fertilizer. Our solution encourages them to test their soil in nearby labs, enter the results, and they instantly get personalized fertilizer prescriptions that actually restore soil health.
Another feature, bridging the digital divides. One of the most crucial points that people forgot in digital division. If we truly want technology to reach every farmer in India, we have to consider their pain point, limited literacy, multiple languages, and fear of complex apps. That's why our software supports multiple languages, has a clean and concise interface, and is designed to be as simple as possible.
Now, one of the most awaited features, government scheme awareness. And we didn't stop there. Many farmers don't even know how and about the government schemes they are eligible for. So, we integrated a feature where farmers can simply check eligibility criteria and immediately see how they can benefit. This ensures that no scheme is left unused, and so no benefit is lost just because of the lack of awareness. Now, the result. Yield can improve by 10 to 15%, fertilizer wastage can reduce by 20%, and farmers can earn additional of 3,000 rupees to 5,000 rupees per hectare. But beyond numbers, the real impact is confidence. The farmer knows that the time he will not lose his harvest. Right? We're giving farmers the power to fight from those bugs, protect their soil, and secure their future.
So here are about our Smart Agri or software for Hackathon.